Good morning. We are going to solve problem 5.10, page 144, 145. Consider the following bank balance sheet. We have a balance sheet, assets on the left side, liabilities on the right side. We have 3-year maturity treasury bond, 10-year municipal bond. It's investment for the bank. That's why we put them into the assets. 1-year certificate of deposits. It's a kind of deposit. That's why it's in liabilities. 5-year note, it's kind of loan. It's a part of a balance sheet. Assume that the 3-year treasury bond yields 6%. It means the interest rate regarding the 3-year treasury bond 6%, 10-year municipal bond 4%, the 1-year 4.5, and the 5-year notes pay 6%. Assume that all instruments have annual coupon payments. What's the weighted average maturity of the assets and for the liabilities? When we hear about the weighted average, it means we are going to make a summation divided by the total. Let's start with the first item, 3-year treasury bond 275. So it will be 275 times 3 plus 10-year municipal bond 10 times 185 over total assets 275 plus 185. It will be 460. Let us detail this number. 275 plus 185, we will get an average of 5.81 years. Now, regarding the liabilities, the same concept. 1 times 155 plus 180 times 5 over total liabilities. We have 155 plus 180, and we will get 3.15 years. Part B, assuming a 1-year time horizon, it means the reference is the items that have 1-year maturity. What if the dollar gap? As you know, dollar gap is rate sensitive assets minus rate sensitive liabilities. I mentioned here 1 year because he gave us 1-year time horizon. We don't have any item in the assets with 1 year. We have only 3 and 10. So we put 0 minus regarding the rate sensitive liabilities. We have only 1-year CD 155. So the gap will be minus 155. We have a negative gap. What is the interest rate? Part C, what's the interest rate risk exposure of the bank? Regarding the risk, since gap is negative, so the bank will suffer a reduction in net interest income if interest rates increase. As you know, when the gap is negative, if the interest rate will increase, we will suffer, the net interest income will decrease, and will gain if interest rates fall since gap is negative. Thank you.